everyone, my name is Owen. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell and subscribe our channel. So let's get into the video. Today we're going to teach you how to fold a Beyblade burst paper bay. Okay, in this video we're going to need some color pencils and some square papers. You can choose different colors to make it. Okay, let's start. We will fold the paper diagonally. I also think that it's easier to spin with a smaller bay. So maybe this time I'm going to make a smaller bay. Okay, now we fold it right into the middle. Okay. And the other sides. Okay, we're done. Now we go into the other side and fold it into the middle again. We're gonna make a smaller bay because I've tested it a lot of times before. I made a lot of Beyblades when I was small. Before I folded it this size, but I still think it's too big, so I'll fold it again. We have to do it slowly or we're gonna mess it up. We can still fold it again so it's gonna spin better. The paper is gonna get harder and harder. So it's kind of hard work at the end. Okay, this is small enough. Now, we open up the edges like this and fold it up a bit on every edge. Okay, you can see 4 little squares here. So you can also fold it up. Inside, there are still more. You can still fold it up too. Now, how does the Beyblade spin? We're gonna use some tape to make a little ball to make it spin. We're gonna take a few pieces of tape, wrap it. It becomes a little ball here. Okay, now it's time to decorate our Beyblade. You can use your creativity. If you color it, it's better because when it spins, it's going to be really colorful. Okay, our Beyblade is done, but now something's missing, the little ball. Now we stick it up. At the bottom of our bay. We push it down. Squeeze the little ball. Okay. And if you want it to spin better, you can fold it a bit. Now, if it's smaller, it's gonna spin better. Because before I made one bigger and then it spins like this. But now, this is gonna spin like this. See? You can decorate more to make it more colorful. Okay, this is the end of our video. Remember to give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe our channel. See you next time.